What's up guys, welcome to another buyer build Type R video. Today we are putting on these ALPLUS rock guards for the front fenders. $200 kit, pretty expensive, but it's a really nice comprehensive kit. It comes with OEM clips to replace the potential broken ones that you'll break in the middle of the process of the install. So let's show you how it's done. It's pretty simple once you have the front wheels off. We're doing brakes right now, so what better time to do it than now? Let's get into it. So these are made out of aluminum and they're designed to fit into your OEM fender guards. So install is relatively easy. You just get a Phillips head screwdriver. There's going to be 3 screws that you remove. Let's shine a light on there so you can see.
Number 2. And number 3 is up here. There we go.
And then there's going to be 2 plastic clips, one right there. So it's nice that they give you new ones because these get covered in road grime.
There you go.
There you go. They get covered in road grime. They're getting hit by everything. With age, they become brittle. So yeah, it's pretty common that they break. So it's nice of them to include 2 fresh ones for you. So there's one down there, and the other one is going to be up there. So once it's broken, you just got to keep prying at it and get it out of there.
I'll have to get a pliers to get that one out. Let's see if I can get this one without breaking it. Any bets? I think I can do it without breaking it.
Nah, it's going to break.
Yeah, this is going to break.
So guys, as you can see, it's nice to have those clips in the kit because they're just going to break. So pry that out.
Same thing, get pliers.
Get some pliers, you pull out the rest of the clip, and then you can bend back the fender liner. Another Phillips, we missed that one. Yep. So there's a total of 4. 1 on the bottom, 3 on the sides.
So now, this peels back. I'm going to pull the actual clip body out of here now.
It's going to go tucked behind the fender liner.
Go. Push it up a little bit, get it in place.
So you can see with the mesh design, it's going to prevent large chunky rocks from kicking up from your tire and damaging your door. You would think Honda would think about things like that, where they provide it as a factory option, but no. Thankfully the aftermarket support is really good for this car. They think of everything. So we're just going to replace those 4 Phillips screws that we took out and pop in 2 new plastic push clips.
There we go. That's that one. There we go. That's the lower clip. Let's get the last of the screws in. And then that's the side installed.
And there you have it. Fully installed. Pretty simple, guys. Let's do the other side. And if you're looking at it from the rear side, you can see the mesh there. This was crazy. You can get so many big rocks. You can see how much buildup of dirt there is on the fins. And all that is just rubbing against your door. He has front PPF on this car along this, but I don't think the doors are done. So very lucky that the doors came out unscathed after all the driving.